Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video, I will be guiding you through how to use the Sulcus Test. Sulcus refers to a crevice, groove, furrow, or fissure found in various body parts. These sulci can be present in different organs and structures, such as the brain, heart, bones. In biological morphology and anatomy, a sulcus is a depression or indentation in a surface, which can serve as a natural division or separation between different parts of an organ or structure. The Sulcus Test is a commonly used orthopedic examination test designed to assess inferior instability in the shoulder's glenohumeral and coracohumeral ligaments. The test is typically conducted with the subject seated and the arm to be evaluated in a relaxed position. One of the examiner's hands stabilizes the shoulder girdle on the tested side, while the other hand firmly grasps the elbow of the tested arm. The movement involves pulling down on the subject's elbow. A positive outcome of the Sulcus sign test is indicated by the noticeable inferior movement of the arm relative to the shoulder, often accompanied by a visible sulcus or step-off deformity between the acromion and the humeral head. To use our free Sulcus test, follow these steps. Download our Sulcus test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Help the client get the right starting position. The patient is seated and the arm to be tested is allowed to relax. One of the examiner's hands stabilizes the shoulder girdle on the evaluated side, while the other securely holds the patient's elbow. The examiner initiates the test by gently pulling the patient's elbow down, creating a specific movement at the glenohumeral joint. A positive result is indicated if there is a noticeable downward movement of the arm with the shoulder joint, accompanied by a visible sulcus or a distinct step-off between the acromion and the humeral head. While discomfort or apprehension may or may not be experienced, a favorable outcome suggests the presence of inferior or multidirectional instability in the shoulder. Here is a sample of our Sulcus test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Sulcus test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.